Hi there, welcome back to another video. My name is Lainey if you're new here, and if you are not new here, thank you for coming back to my channel. Today's video is going to be what I eat in a week as a busy college student who is also a dance theater major at a performing arts school in New York City. That's kind of a very long-winded way of saying it. I also hope that gives you some explanation as to why my hair looks like this. It's gonna look like this for most of this video. It is part of the dress code that I have to have like my hair in a bun for majority of my classes, and my bangs need to be out of my face, so I just gel them down. This is starting to come out. I need to fix that. But yes, I'm going to be doing a what I eat as a busy college student. Hopefully it'll be from Monday through Friday. I'm going to try to record everything I eat, but if I miss something in the day, I'll make sure to put a note on the screen. Right now I'm drinking magnesium. I drink magnesium twice a day, so I don't know if I'll film this every single time. And when I have it at night, I have it as an adrenal cocktail. I basically add coconut water, lemon juice, and a crack or two of sea salt to it to help with electrolytes, just mineral balance and stuff. So also, I would just like to say, if you are new to this channel, again, my name is Lainey, and I love creating content about food, fitness, lifestyle, self-love, wellness, everything and anything, and I'm really happy to have you here. So with that being said, let's just get into the video. So I made my coffee. I'm probably gonna have one of these almost every day, so I don't know if I'll film this every day either, but it's just a cold brew, and then I add almond milk with some of this sugar-free caramel. I froth it with my frother in a cup, and I also put some cinnamon in it, and then I just pour it together. My ice didn't freeze in my freezer overnight, so I have no ice in this, but luckily the cold brew was already cold, so it's cold. And then for breakfast today, I have overnight oats. These are I have the recipe posted on my Instagram, so feel free to go check that out if you want the recipe for this. But this is basically what I've been eating. I literally think I've eaten this every single morning since I've gotten here. It's so good. Please go try it. As you can probably hear, I'm warming up. You can see me in there. I'm warming up some pasta that I meal prepped yesterday. I learned how to cook pasta in my microwave, so you can do that now. You basically cook it the same way you would cook it in a bowl. You just don't have to wait, or in a pot, you just don't have to wait for the water to boil. You just cook it with the water in a microwave safe container. So like I put 3 servings in a microwave safe container, covered it with water, and then microwaved it for like 7 minutes. If it needs to cook longer, just cook it longer till it's al dente. And then I put some Gardeins beefless ground on there, and some of the Trader Joe's tomato basil marinara sauce. And then I also added some steamed broccoli, and then I'm gonna throw some mixed greens on top of it just to have like a quick meal. I have to head back to the studio at 11:30. It is like 10:45 right now. I walked back here quick, can eat my lunch, and then head back. And then from there, I'm going to the gym, and then I'm coming back because I have an audition at 6:30 till 9:30. So it's gonna be busy. And now I'm just gonna enjoy this. Probably gonna drink maybe some sparkling water. I got the Trader Joe's cranberry orange sparkling water, and it's pretty good. Yeah, it's decent, so I'll probably drink that with this. This is your sign to meal prep. Easy recipes so that you don't have to stress when it comes time to eat, even if you only have like 20 minutes. Okay, I just got back from an audition, so my hair was gelled down. I mean, it was gelled down from class today too, but it's just like a mess, so ignore that. But I almost forgot to show you guys that I'm having a kind of just like I don't know what you call it, like a Buddha bowl. I have tempeh in it that I marinated and cooked in the Primal Kitchen no soy teriyaki sauce. And then I have some rice that I prepped, some butternut squash, some greens, and then I used the Trader Joe's vegan Caesar dressing. That's what I have. And this is so good. Some random stuff thrown together and it tastes delicious. This is why, another reason why meal prep is amazing. And I got back earlier than I thought I was going to from that audition. But I'm so glad about it. I'm so glad that I got back early. I just wanted to come home. Okay, so I'm kind of bad at remembering to record things really late at night and really early in the morning, but I'm having my rice cakes right now. Because I'm out of Greek yogurt right now, I'm using protein powder just mixed with water to like make like a base. My bangs are disgusting, I'm sorry. I'm in an awkward phase of them growing out. So I'm having 2 of these. It has the protein powder and then banana and peanut butter and cinnamon. And I also had 2 of these last night before I went to bed, but I forgot to record it just because I was like really hungry and I was just worried about eating and getting to bed. But yeah, so I had 2 of these last night. I'm having 2 this morning before I go work out. Hi there. So I just got back from class. I had a speech class this morning and pas de deux variations. I said variations, kind of weird, sorry. Pas de deux variations. And I have a Zoom class that I need to get on here soon, but I'm just eating the rest of that pasta that I meal prepped that I had yesterday. I did forget to record me eating my breakfast, but I had the same breakfast that I had yesterday, so I hope that that doesn't bother you that I forgot to show you that. It's just hard sometimes, especially when I'm like in a public area and I'm just trying to eat my food in peace. It's hard to remember to pull out my camera. I'm doing my best to remember to show you guys. I promise I'm trying. So this is what I'm having for lunch, drinking some water, and just gonna sit down and watch some YouTube while I eat this before I have to get on my call in 15-20 minutes. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. It's time. I'm gonna have to make this a little bit fast because I'm running a little bit behind schedule. I have my coffee, my melatonin, and my overnight oats as usual. Blueberries, grapes, cinnamon, peanut butter, zucchini, oats, protein powder, Greek yogurt. Literally so good. If you haven't checked out this recipe yet on my Instagram, go check it out now. Go. I'm watching you. Getting on to therapy right now, but I just want to show you guys that I had this last night too, and I showed a small clip of it, I think, when I was in a meeting. But this is the Trader Joe's sparkling watermelon juice, and it's pretty good. Tastes like watermelon. I definitely think I want to try the strawberry one next time though, but I got a pack of 4 of these, and it's pretty good. Figured I would just pop in here right now while I'm cooking my dinner. It is like 5:30, 5:45-ish. Got off therapy. I'm cooking some broccoli, steaming some broccoli in here before I put it in the air fryer. In the air fryer, I have some tempeh with the Primal Kitchen no soy teriyaki sauce. And then over here, we have part of my dinner. I'm gonna put the tempeh on top of this slice of toast. This is egg whites and ketchup. Underneath it, I have avocado, Greek yogurt, and nutritional yeast mixed together to make like a creamy base that's a little bit higher in protein. There's also mixed greens under both of them. Yes, I had a salad for lunch, but I like vegetables, so if I'm feeling vegetables right now, like I was craving broccoli, I'm gonna have some broccoli. I love putting mixed greens on top of my toast because it's an easy way to get in some more fibers, some more nutrients. So that's what I'm doing, and I will show you when it is completely done. Also, look at how cute my little fairy lights are. I set those up myself. I know, I'm so talented. So as you could see, I have the 2 different types of toast here, and then I also have my bowl of broccoli on the side. It got like, I don't know if some people like this, but I like my broccoli like a tiny bit burnt. Not like burnt, like I don't like the stems to be burnt. This one just has like a touch of brown to it. Perfect. I'm gonna sit here, enjoy this, and then I have some stuff I have to do this evening. I actually remembered to film this before I ate it. It's really loud. But I'm having rice cakes right now with Greek yogurt and protein powder, bananas, blueberries, grapes, and then peanut butter and cocoa powder mixed with maple syrup. I'm gonna eat these and then I'm going to record a podcast episode for this week. Good morning. I hope you can see me. I'm out of rice cakes right now currently, which is what I usually have before I go work out. And I have bread, so I could have done bread with banana and Greek yogurt and peanut butter and cinnamon, but I decided I was craving an apple and some Greek yogurt with some protein powder, like a dip. So this is what I'm eating before I go lift at the gym. Nothing super exciting to explain for what I'm having for dinner because I'm having the same thing I had last night. My broccoli is in the air fryer right now. So same thing I had last night. I find it easiest for me to just kind of pick a couple of meals when I'm getting groceries and then just sticking to those meals throughout the week. I'm not, you know, I enjoy the meals that I make, so I don't really get bored of them. I also am pretty good at, with the ingredients that I have, I'm good at mixing them to make more than just the one meal I had in mind originally. Say I had stuff to make this. I also could use a decent amount of these ingredients to make a salad. I could use them to make a sandwich of some sort. I can use them to make some sort of like breakfast scrambled bake. There's definitely a lot of different ways that I can use these, and I think that that is like a really important thing to do when you're limited on like amount of groceries you can have, the amount you can spend on groceries, things like that. It's good to try to get things that you can use in more than one way. Obviously that also helps with reducing waste, which is amazing for the environment if you're actually using all the food that you buy, which I try my absolute hardest to make sure I use everything before it goes bad. This tempeh marinated in that no soy teriyaki sauce by Primal Kitchen is so good. This teriyaki sauce is just amazing. It's like my new favorite marinade. Go try it. I'm having a bowl of the Trader Joe's cookies and cream granola with almond milk, some protein powder, blueberries, bananas, grapes, cinnamon, and peanut butter. It's very good. I don't know how you could mess up like granola with like fruit or granola in general. I don't think that you can mess it up, so. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. Obviously I have my, you can't see my bottoms, but I have my long sleeve Gymshark top on, and I'm out of rice cakes like I said yesterday, so now I'm having toast, magnesium, and then the toast has Greek yogurt, protein powder mixed together, spread on there, and then banana and peanut butter and cinnamon on top. Okay, I just got back from having my 2-hour conditioning class and then modern technique / improv. I'm sipping on a ginger lime poppy. There is a bug. Super good. My mom sent me a case of these ones and then the orange ones. Sometimes I drink them too fast, so I'm heating up some soup that someone prepared for me. She gave me some containers of it to freeze, so I'm defrosting that, and then she also gave me some vegetable broth, so I'm gonna pour this in there too. And then I'm gonna have some soup. I don't know, should I have a piece of bread with it? We'll see. So here's the soup I'm having. It's like a chickpea, lentil, mushroom, I don't know, there's so many different things in it. There's farro in it, there's kidney beans or lima beans, I don't know, whatever these green beans are. Tomatoes, and then I topped it with Greek yogurt, avocado, and nutritional yeast just to get some like extra creaminess, some more healthy fats, a little bit of like a cheesy flavor, and I have a slice of sourdough bread in the air fryer that I'm gonna have with this. So that is my lunch, and then I have to head back to the studio for a tap. Okay, I just got back from my last class of the week. It is about 6 o'clock, I would say. And I'm gonna try and make a smoothie bowl using my NutriBullet, so I will let you guys know how that goes. I'm kind of scared, but we'll see. I made my smoothie bowl. It is literally liquid, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to deal with that. Tonight I'm just gonna eat it kind of like soup. Still tastes good. It's just not thick, so I don't think it's gonna be as filling. It tastes good though. I might have to go buy some like xanthan gum or something to help like thicken up my smoothies. or get more frozen fruit. It's just hard because my freezer doesn't stay super cold, so. I think I'm about to eat the last thing of the day, so I'm gonna wrap up this video here. But I'm having another slice of toast. I'm kind of long on options. It's not like I have a lot of things to choose from, and I have no issue having bread and fruit and stuff. I'm getting in enough food and plenty of fruits and vegetables. So I have Greek yogurt, banana, grapes, peanut butter, cocoa powder mixed with some monk fruit syrup, and then cinnamon on top. I'm gonna have this while I watch some YouTube. I'll do a taste test for you guys. And then I also have my, well, I can't even think of what it's called. My adrenal cocktail. I literally couldn't think of the name of it for the life of me. With all that being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment down below how your week has been, let me know what other kind of videos you would like to see from me. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.